facing the police every single day.
Hey, Sheriff County, this is Sheriff County Cop Watch, and I want to make a comment on this before I play the video with sound. This is a Sheriff County Sheriff who only comes out of his hole of tyranny. This is a sheriff right here. Only comes out of his hole of tyranny when it's time for election. This is his third time around. This is insane, man. All the corruption for fucking 8 years, man. We've got it all. And he actually has the balls to want to run again. Now he's telling you distracted driving. Really, we learned it from the cops that you can have a cell phone, a radio, and a laptop in the front and everything's fine, even though it's not. They get in accidents all the time. But then they blame that they're another one on the list for getting hurt while on duty from the bad people. No, you did it yourself, asshole. So here's what he's concerned about. This is taking away from his policing for profit with his road pirates. That's what it's all about. If you're dealing with an accident, you can't fuck people over for victimless crimes like they do every single fucking day, man. I mean, you have a little tiny roach here, and you go to jail because this prick is a Nazi, un-American. Our founding fathers would literally consider him a friend. I would consider him a foe. Not a friend. Not even close. He would be the enemy, period, for the crap that he's doing. Remember, our founding fathers fought for only a couple things. High taxes. They tried to take our guns. That's why we have the Fourth Amendment. They're literally writing a warrant at the door of your house and taking over your house. They went to war for people like this shithead here. And here's what's sad. Bill Promell has far surpassed what our founding fathers did. So that's why he's bummed about accidents. And here's the other reason why. We have a shitload, this is a retirement area, of older people that shouldn't even be driving. But the reason why they are driving is because they pay a shitload of taxes. So they get to get away with a lot of stuff us young slaves don't get to. And here's what else is messed up. We are the only country on the planet that's half socialist fascist and the other half are supposedly free and are paying for the other half that are socialist fascist. That's pretty messed up, man. So here these people got Medicare, retirement, 2 houses, and we're paying for that shit. Wow, that sounds like theft to me. So yeah, him saying, you know, distracted driving, really? He's talking about don't fuck up my policing for profit, man, which I do every single day with my road pirates. And he still doesn't have body cameras or car cameras. Everybody else does, but he still doesn't because it's your word against theirs in court. This place is so corrupt. It is not even funny. It is disgusting. And here's proof that he doesn't give a shit about documenting with audio and video with body cameras and car cameras. He has increased his budget by millions. When he started, I think it was $55 million. Now it's $75 million. And he just asked for another $35 million for a bunch of buildings. And there's still no body cameras. And he just bought a tank for the war that we don't have. And he didn't tell anybody about that. 350 grand for a Bearcat, man. Supposedly can stop a 50 cal. I don't believe that. I've seen YouTube, I've seen 50 cal, and that's not going to stop a 50 cal. But anyways, yeah, this bullshit, that's why I make videos like this and make commentary. This is bullshit. The other thing that he's doing lately, too, is because he's running for office, he is illegally and knowingly violating my right to get records. Some of the internal investigations, I highly recommend everybody get them all and expose them all on Facebook and YouTube, are devastating. Bad, bad, bad. Guy caught having an affair with a married cop was caught having an affair while on duty. Another one busted for he stole 9 IDs, then stole a wallet with money. It's unreal. That is why they're trying to illegally aggregate and bundle. That's nowhere in the Sunshine Law to charge me so I can't get it, to expose the insanity under this fucker. He is having such a hard time getting people. He's getting people right out of high school and say, hey, are you a thug? Do you like to fuck people over? And literally training them right there to be a full-blown Nazi. It's disgusting. Remember what our founding fathers said, take a goddamn country back, you're a frog in a pot. The water's gone, it's turned into steam, get the hell out and fight.
Soon, our seasonal residents will be returning and our roadways will get busier and more congested. Did you know that most of our motor vehicle crashes in this county are side swipes or rear-end collisions? These are more likely than not caused by distracted drivers. Please put your phone down and don't be a distracted driver. I'm Sheriff Bill Permel. Please drive safely and responsibly. Drive alert, stay alive.
Hey Charlotte County, this is Charlotte County Cop Watch. I am using any video here with under fair use if you have criticism, reporting, teaching, etc. And please donate. I do not make money from YouTube, and there are different ways to donate in the video links. Thanks.